Hello everyone. Today let's see how to work mod function in Excel. So what does it do? This function displays the most frequently occurring number in a group of a number. For it to work correctly, there must be at least two numbers which are the same. If all the values in the group are unique, the function shows the error. When there is a more than one set of duplicates, the number closest to the beginning of the group will be used, which is not really an accurate answer. So let's see how this works. So first of all, we have to create a table, a simple table. So going to create a table, value 1, value 1, value 2, value 2, value 3, value 4, value 5, and going to use mod column as well. Let's enter the value for value 1. So like we have a 20, 50, 10, again 10, 40. Now let's use the formula mod function here. Going to use mod function, mod select the value 1 to value 5 and close the parenthesis, press enter. As you can see here, we got the 10 because 10 repeat the number. It's a duplicate number in the table. As you can see, the 10 is 2 times, right? Value 3 and value 4, so we got the result 10 here. Okay, now I'm going to use to see the other example. We have a value here 40, 20, 40, again we have 10 and 40. So let's see the result here. Going to use the mod function here. So mod, select the range, close parenthesis, press enter. As you can see, we got the 40 here because 40 it's a duplicate number in the table, right? So again I'm going to use to see the another example here. So going to use 10, 10, 90, 20 and 20. Let's see the result here. Mod, select the range, close the parenthesis, press enter button. As you can see, we got the 10 result here. Let's see again in another example. So we have a 20, right? 20 again and 90. Again going to use 10 and again 10. Now let's see what will be result. So going to use mod function here, select the criteria, close parenthesis, press enter. You can see here we got 20 result. Okay, as I have told in the starting, when there is more than one set of duplicate, the number closest to the beginning. So the closest number is 20. So we got the result 20 in upper table. we got the 10 result because the closest of the beginning is 10. So we got the 10 here, and in the second row we got the 20 here, right? So let's see another example here. Going to use 10, 20, 20, 90 and 10 here. Now let's see the result. Going to use mode function here. Mode, select the criteria, press enter button. As you can see, we got 10 result because the closest number is 10. Closest beginning value is the 10, so we got the result is 10 here, right? Now let's see the other example for the error. Going to use 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now see the result. Let's use the mode function here. Select the criteria, close parenthesis, press enter. As you can see, we got the result here because there is no duplicate value or the same value in the table, so we got the error here, right? So that means if all the value in the group are unique, the function shows the error. If there is no unique value in the table, the value will be repeat, or the same number value exists in the table. That means we can use the mode function in the table. Okay, yeah, so thanks for watching this video.